everyone, my name is Jagrit. I am from class 5th D and I study in Faith Academy School. Today I am showing my talent of graphic designing in CorelDRAW. Let's start to make a poster in this software CorelDRAW.
Hello, we are going to introduce you to the youngest graphic designer who started designing in the software CorelDRAW at the age of 8. And this is his lockdown hobby. He started learning graphic designing last year in the lockdown days in 2020. Come on, let's see how he makes the poster within few minutes. So this is here Jagrit and he's going to make the poster within few minutes. Start, Jagrit. Jagrit is a very creative child and he has been learning and practicing graphic designing since last 1 year. And this is his lockdown hobby, as I said earlier also. And you will see how he is making the poster so quickly in graphic designing. And he is using the CorelDRAW software so easily, you cannot imagine that people at the age of 20, 25, they are becoming graphic designers. And this is first time in the history of the world a youngest graphic designer is coming up at the age of 8, and he has been doing it since last 1 year, and now he is 9 years and 4 months of age. See how he is completing his poster. He has completed half of it, and he is using the latest laptop which he has got as a gift from his father on his birthday. And see how he is utilizing his time. So quickly he has completed half of his poster, and he is making a poster for the company WBTR. He has put an image of globe inside it, and now he is making a poster of WBTR Global Excellence Awards 2021. That's really good. See, with the speed he is doing the work, and he is focusing on the laptop, and his creativity is also going to be reflected in this video. And this is really a very amazing work that such a young child at the age of 9 years, and he's going to complete his world record within this month. By 30th of April he is going to complete his 100 posters world record, and then he will be awarded for the same. And this is going to be the biggest achievement and a very proud moment for Jagrit and his parents. So big applause for the family who's motivating the child so much, and he is exploring his skills, his creativity in the field of graphic designing. And here he goes. He is about to complete his poster. See with how efficiency he is doing it, and creativity, color matching, combinations, and the way he is using his laptop confidently. You can see this in this video. This is really a very remarkable step and a great initiative by the child to make a world record of 100 posters in last 6 months. He has made 6 months he has learnt this technique, and now since last 6 months he has been making these posters, and he has created some calendars also. That's really amazing. We will be showing you his calendars he has made in the next video. But see how creatively he is doing his work, and this is really superb and remarkable. Excellent, Jagrit. Hurry up, finish it up. The time is going to end. It's 3 minutes and 51 seconds now, and within few seconds he's going to finish his poster. Really good, and he's finishing up the target of the time limit also. Very good, Jagrit. Very well done. This is an amazing work you are doing at such an early age. We are really proud of you. Youngest graphic designer Jagrit Anand from Faith Academy School, class 5th D, and he is going to show his talent tomorrow in his school activity. Really a very proud moment and a very good effort and initiative by the child and the parents. Hurry up, Jagrit. Your time is going to be over soon. Hurry up. He is going to share his experience. Done? Wow, very well done. See, he has made the poster. Only one thing is left. He has to put this in the globe. The last step by Jagrit. Excellent, and the poster is ready. So a big round of applause for the youngest graphic designer Jagrit Anand. Congratulations, and this is how The poster is done. Really remarkable work. Congratulations, Jagrit. Can I have a huge round of applause for yourself? You can clap. Congratulations.